Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Move from there. And today, guys, we're here with Vybz Kartel. Snitch, bitch. Vybz Kartel, Snitch, bitch. That song out a couple days now. I never hear it. First, I listen to it. Produced by 𝐷𝐿𝐻 TV, I believe, because I see 𝐷𝐿𝐻 on the screen. Yeah, I see 𝐷𝐿𝐻 over here. So I never see it before. I never done it before. So I go listen to it. I go hear it. I go see what I want. So hopefully we can break down the lyrics. Them. If we get anything wrong, let me know in the comment section. Don't bash me. This is Vybz Kartel. We're talking about the lyrical God, wordplay God, metaphor God, similes God, everything God, boss, real boss. Let's go.
Free your case, pussy. Free your case, man. When minute at the pan phone a chat man like blood clot girl. Your man go suck your mother man, pussy man.
It sound like what's your name? What's your name? Got the fucking Jody. Sound like Jody from I think she's America.
Free your case, pussy. Free your case, man. When minute at the pan phone a chat man like blood clot girl. Your man go suck your mother man, pussy man. Your man now you man.
The pan phone a chat man na bitch.
Yeah.
The pan phone a can use na snitch. The pan phone a chat man na bitch. The pan phone a can use na snitch. The pan phone a chat man na bitch. The pan phone a can use na snitch.
You know what I'm saying? The pan phone a chat man na bitch. Not a woman no, bitch. Cause here we go now. You have some man who sit down on them phone and chat man. Or congregate in a groups and chat man. Or you know, sit down on corner and watch man and chat girl and yo, me sleep with that girl and me fuck that girl and that is little boy style. That not ready. That not ready. Move from go one side with that not ready, dog. You see? Let's go.
The pan phone a chat man na bitch. The pan phone a can use.
Pussy stop watch man. You think a Netflix? You think a Matrix? This woman a get kicks, dog.
Pussy stop watch man, dog. You think a Netflix? You think a Matrix? This for your hey boy. Only thing I kick in a brother. The rifle I kick in your chest in the day. Upon a long talking with dinner, let's go.
Me no need you, stop see me no see you. Make a tight old girl, bring the pussy come give you. Me and you selling a forget girl regular, striking at the mood.
I'm going back to one of them old song them. Me I use my cellular, get girl regular. You see me? Me I use cellular for get girl regular. Before that him say, make a tight old girl, bring the pussy come give you. And trick you with a girl. Cause you know some man love stray and go look girl or you see me? Things yo, girl some of them girl have some devil to you the dog. Set you up your life in a man.
Girl bring the pussy come give you. Me and you selling a forget girl regular, striking at the mold. See rascal tell ya. What's up big waist boy, you sit down for me name. And a watchman pocket more than Helena. Them brother ya.
The pan phone a chat man.
A watchman pocket like what?
And a watchman pocket more than
Helena. Watchman pocket. Somebody leave that what I mean in the comment section. This off me. Know.
So big waist boy, you sit down for me name. And a watchman pocket more than Helena. Them brother ya.
The pan phone a chat man na bitch. The pan phone a can use na snitch. The pan phone a chat man na bitch. The pan phone a can use na snitch. The pan phone a chat man na bitch. The pan phone a can use na snitch. The pan phone a chat man na bitch. The pan phone a can use.
Them life crash like the road never whitewash. So I might stash them trunk or they like watch.
Them life crash like the road never whitewash. Don't know when you fix it, you have to whitewash the road and thing. Make the road nice and smooth. If you don't do that, rain go fall, mash up the road. You go drive on the road, you go crash. Your life crash like, but me not get that line that I thought not really drop for me still, Kartel. Yeah, I'm an artist, but that line not really drop for me still. I not really to see the significance of that line there. I'm just reacting, guys. Kartel, Gaza, I'm say by the way. Anybody know me knows that Gaza, I'm say. Some other so-called man thinks that them a Gaza come in the comment section, come tell me no. Fuck your ears. Me go tell them about on the mother and then black on the dark. You understand? Yeah. Gaza, I'm say from day one. Yeah. So know that bumbuckler. I say Gaza from before Kartel even in a bumbuckler alliance. So know that. Alright, let's go.
Life crash like the road never whitewash. So I might stash them trunk or they like watch. Gossip like Tash would never whitewash. Them life crash like the road never whitewash. So am I stash them drunk or they like watch. Gossip like Tash, what a kick in your face, boy. Drop in high class, throw that in high trash. Man,
Gossip like Tash. Tash, big up yourself. My friend named Tash. Tash, big up yourself. Gossip like Tash. Tash is a woman. Gossip like Tash. But some of them man gossip more than Tasha's and Tasha's, Stacey's and Kerry's, and some of them man are the gossip more than that. That are the thing, brother. You know what I mean? And then them say, what a kick in your face. Boy, drop it. Yo. Him say, what a kick in your face. Let me see what him say.
gossip like Tash, what a kick in your face, boy. Drop in high class, throw that in high trash. Man, stacky.
Boy, drop in high clash, throw that in high trash. Which clash? Is Kartel telling me something? Kartel tell me something? Say, one clash I go on or something? Is Kartel say something? What? Man, drop in high clash, what a kick it? Dash in high trash.
I cash them a pre, me say eyelash. Left it up them pa me jeans, them no like that. Bucky sound loud, night. Kicking at your face, boy, drop in high class, throw that in high trash. Man, stacky, I cash them a pre, me say eyelash. Left it up them pa me jeans, them no like that.
Man, stacky eye cash. Man, out there and get the money, you see me? Them a pre Missy eyelash. So you know, say when a person look for you, them eyelash turn to your same way. Them a pre Missy the eyelash, you see me?
Bucky sound loud, night jeep, them a fight that. Telly girl, husband, me and I dead. Who does that?
They on phone a chat, man, and a bitch.
It up them pa me jeans, them no like that. Bucky sound loud, night jeep, them a fight that. Telly girl, husband, me and I dead. Who does that?
They on phone a chat, man, and a bitch. They on phone a carry news and a snitch. They on phone a chat, man, and a
Look at my third verse
bitch.
tonight,
They on phone a carry news and a snitch.
I'm not gonna repeat
They on
again.
phone a chat, man, and a bitch. They on phone a carry news and a snitch. They on phone a chat, man, and a bitch. They on phone a carry
Third verse.
Man hot like magnifying glass. World boss, world boss, world boss. And at that some boy don't love. It lick them, chip them plug. Like clips that fill with slugs. These tips that spill in lungs. Black 5 full of big guns. At some boy
I've heard more lyrical songs than this from Kartel.
like magnifying glass. World boss, world boss, world boss. And at that some boy don't love. It lick them, chip them plug. Like clips that fill with slugs. These tips that spill in lungs. Black 5 full of big guns. Kartel of the man with funds.
Third verse. Third verse finish?
They on phone.
Alright, that was the third verse. Him say, man had like magnifying glass. We do know, say, when you put magnifying glass on the sun and anything, it can get hot, it can burn through to other things. So, Kartel had dropped some lyrics on that song, yeah, but him not go too over, you know. He might have some simple lyrics where connect. Some of them for me, some of them, like me say, me know nobody drop in the comment section go tell me no fuckery. You see me, Kartel am a G. You see me, Gaza me say, but me suppose I can talk when time me hear better lyrics than this from Kartel, which I'm sure that any true Gaza fan with no Kartel lyrics and knows that this is just like a mediocre song compared to what Vybz Kartel normally drop. You see me? Me not go hype up every Vybz Kartel song because I'm a Vybz Kartel artist. I'm Vybz Kartel supporter. I Vybz Kartel I'm an artist. When the song bad, the song bad. When the song average, the song average. This for me average. This for me average. Then him say real boss, and then him say me try remember say. Then him say real boss. Him say man had that magnifying glass, real boss, and that some boy don't love. So obviously the boy don't like when the whole world I say Kartel and I say Gaza and I say real boss. You see me? Then him go down in it and say lick them chip them plug. Lick them chip them plug. So basically I say yo, when people are say real boss, they don't like it. It'll lick them chip and them plug. Okay, these tips it starts. Me know I'm a mistake in that.
Them chip, them plug.
Yeah.
Like clips that fill with slugs. These tips that spill in lungs. Black 5 full of big guns. Kartel of the man with funds.
Obviously, it's a different flow. It's a different style from Kartel. Kartel always come in a fresh style and sing. Black 5 are full of beer big guns. I mean, if a Black 5 we mean, which Black 5 we mean. But anyway, Black 5 there, them say them full of beer big guns. You see me? Kartel are the man with funds. Kartel the man with the money. Kartel the man with the money. So let's go.
The pan phone a chat man and a bitch. The pan phone a carry news and a snitch. The pan phone a chat man and a bitch. The pan phone a carry news and a snitch. The pan phone a chat man and a bitch. The pan phone a carry news and a snitch. The pan phone a chat man and a bitch.
I think the reason why I think this is average, because we heard these messages from Kartel already. We not so much word for word, but we hear them in other songs. Also, he's doing a lot of repeating. He's repeating the whole chorus. It's just the chorus is just 2 lines. The pan phone a chat man, ya bitch. The pan phone a carry news, ya snitch. You see me? Just bitch and snitch. So we hear them 2 lines at too much time for me. Too much time.
The pan phone a carry news and a snitch. A snitch.
I think so Kartel emphasize the chorus so much it make it look like there's somebody personally attack. So him just sit down and say, yo, I posted that, yo, I'm just do this quickly. Forget it out of my, get it out of my system. That's how me get. He never really thought and sit down and say, yo, I gotta write a song with name Snitch bitch. From where do you know? Bounty Killer as well. Bounty Killer, I use that term upon him Instagram ad. When Bounty Killer and somebody in an argument here, Bounty Killer say, yo, snitch bitch, which fish? A Bounty Killer style. Bounty Killer, a snitch bitch, and them something there. So,
A snitch.
you know, Kartel. This average, we pick up on the Gaza fans, them, including myself.
A snitch.
You see me? West Side. You see me? Miglace. You see me? Pussy. So, that's Vybz Kartel Snitch Bitch song. For me, it's average. We hear better than Kartel than that by far. He's doing a lot of repeating. This song, compared to me, is like when I'm not calling the artist name. Let's let go that. Big up on yourself. This is what I'm gonna leave down. If you enjoyed the one, please leave a like. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Alright? Peace out.